Hello, this is Patone TV. I made my own Black Ops airplane. It has NK. It's called NK, and there's the front. I made a other one with this same body frame, but I didn't like it, so I made it black. And you see what I did with the piece. There's some white looking out there, and there's the frame where I made this. And I put this gray because I put that gray because I didn't have more black pieces like gray like that. And there's the cockpit right there. And you have like takeoff panels. This takes off, and these panels take off. And that's what takes off. You see some of the white framing. I don't want to leave it white because if you leave it white, it looks like this. And I wanted to make it more cooler look, so I made it all black and some of tan. And hope this video gets 100 likes. And if I do, I will post another a movie about my zombie thing. If this video gets 10,000 likes, we are on how much likes?
How much? I don't know. This is your choice.
I think we are on 7. Like, we are almost at 110,000. We only have 115,000. And watch the other videos and watch my old videos or my new videos. I post them some new day, like this day has snow outside, so I didn't have nothing to do, so I wanted to make something what will be cool, and and then if you didn't want to take off the panels, these panels hold down. And I built it, and it looks good. Looks like an army airplane, and this is very good. And then if you want a stand for it, you put down this, that, and then it looks like it has that. It's very cool. So check out my other videos of Patone TV, and you can see a other airplane video for Army airplane. This is a Black Ops Army airplane. See all the black? That's for Black Ops. And goodbye.
Bye.